We're back with this week's T-Shirt Tuesday. We got another special T-Shirt Tuesday because this is our first detailer, Distinct Detail or DistinctDetailsAZ.com. DistinctDetailAZ.com. Scott Nichols out of Scottsdale, Arizona, specializes in Concours detailing, high-level detailing, correction, and cleaning of pre-war cars or just overall high-end vehicles. He's one of the few in this country known for high-level detailing and goes to Pebble Beach every year. I've had the honor to work alongside him and his partner in crime, Man, and work Pebble Beach with these guys, and they are amazing. They do a phenomenal job. They take detailing to the next level, and they use Lake Country pads, especially when I'm with them. So today we're giving Distinct Details and Scott Nichols a shout out. If you've never heard of Scott, go check him out. Go follow him on Facebook and Instagram. Go check out his website, DistinctDetailAZ.com, and see all the work that he's done. If you've got a cool shirt or you want to get featured on Lake Country's T-Shirt Tuesday, make sure you send us a message, send us a shirt, and we'll make sure that we get you in the line and showcase your cool tee.